Right, I don't know if you can see that, but you can see the blue marks I've put in the road. What basically I've done is I've set up 5-metre intervals in down here. I've done a 2-metre level because, and I'll do another 2-metre one because you can see the ground slopes are, it's generally flat, but there's a slope from the edge of the road down and then down again, then it levels off. So I would do levels every 5 metres, 2 metres from the edge of the road. Then I'll do another set of levels 2 metres away from that. And then as I said, there's 2 ways of doing it. One is I can set out a grid and level this through a grid, number them up on my sketch, and as soon as I hold the staff on it and read it, then when I'm back plotting I can plot them all out. And how you set out a grid is you use this type of contraption, which is it's a right angle square, and I don't know if you can see in there, but you've got the bottom one which is the left, the top one which is the right, and the yellow one which is the centre, looking straight. Can you? I'm not sure if you can see it. My phone and the other one's going stuffed. But you line up the poles in this, and it gives you a right angle square. And what you do is set up canes going down here every 5 metres, and then set up canes going down here every 5 metres. And I've already done that one in the middle, set that off at what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge up my other phone so I can actually show you it. Bear with me. Right, we're back in business. Right, this little baby, if you can see it, you turn it round and you've got the yellow in the middle, which is straight ahead. The bottom one is to the left, the top one's to the right. So if I hold it up in here, oh, there we go. I don't know if you can almost see that, but you can see the one in the middle, and a one to the left and one to the right, and they're in a reasonable distance, within, you know, 5, 50, 100 mil or something like that. Anyway, so that's the right angle square. Anyway, so that's the right angle square. And if you set this all round the field using this, or you can do the alternative way, which if I haven't got an optical square, and these are about 40 quid from on eBay from China, or you can spend 80 to 100 pound from York Service Supplies, and they're probably from China as well. So they're a handy little tool to have. So basically you can set up all your grid every 5 metres or 2 metres or 10 metres, whatever you wanted, and then you can, as I say, level your way methodically round and number them all up as you take the levels, and then you can transfer that back. So I'll just show you the marks along the road.